Hello everyone, this is Mario from EBI Technology Group. I'm going to walk you through a process on if you're running out of space on your computer. There's a free application on Windows in the Google Store that you can download that'll help you find where your space is being used. So first off, I'll walk through grabbing the application from the Google Play Store. Just open up your Google Play Store platform. Okay, right here in the search bar, you want to search for tree size. Okay, and here's the application here. I currently have it installed, but you'll see an install button here. Go ahead and click on install and let the program install. And once that's done, you can close your Google Play Store and you can open the application up. Then once the application launches, it'll look like this. Okay. And then you can go up to the top left here where it says select directory and whatever drive, depending on how many partitions you have, how many drives you have in your My Computer. If you open up My Computer, it'll tell you how much space you have left on each drive. The one I'm going to pick here is the C drive. And you'll see it calculate your C drive and start to determine where all your space is being used. And as you can see, most of my space is being used under the users section here. And if you click this arrow on the side here, it'll start navigating down into each folder as to where the size is being used. So under users, administrator, that's my user account. Click the plus sign for administrator. And then under app data, sometimes your app data is not showing in your computer. You have to open it up as it's a hidden folder. So if you open up a brand new window, File Explorer window, you go over to View, and then you'll see hidden items. If you put a check mark there, it'll show all of your hidden items. And then now if I go to C, administrator, or users, I'm sorry, and then administrator, I'll see that hidden folder. But if I uncheck it, you'll see that app data folder, or all the hidden folders would disappear. So if you check it again, there's app data. So I'll navigate back over to my tree size application. And as you can see, 19.5 gigabytes is being used under app data. So I'll hit the drop down arrow once again, and then under local. So most of the data is under user, administrator, app data, local. 18.3 gigabytes is being used. I'll click the down arrow again. And then here are all the folders that are in that local folder, that local directory. Okay. So as you can see, because I use CapCut a lot, there's 5.6 gigabytes in CapCut alone. So if I hit the drop down arrow for CapCut, you'll see most of the data, 4.3 gigs, is in the user data folder. Hit that drop down arrow again, and then it breaks it down here. Okay. And then once you determine where all the data is being used on your C drive or whatever drive you are tree sizing, you navigate to that directory in a File Explorer window. So I'll just start from the beginning. Go to this PC. It's under the C drive, under Users, Administrator, App Data, Local, and then under CapCut. And I'll navigate back over to my tree size to see exactly where that was under CapCut. So it was CapCut and User Data. So under User Data, and I'll navigate back over. So under User Data, that's where you see under Downloads, 1.6 gigabytes is being used, and then under the cache, 2.3 gigabytes is being used. So you can either purge those documents over to an external drive, and I'll show you guys a video on that later, how you purge or copy documents from your C drive over to your external drive. But I'll go into my cache and clear my cache out. As a matter of fact, you got to be careful. You don't want to clear everything out in this cache folder. So let's go back over to our tree size, and we'll break down what's in the cached folder. Okay. So as you can see, most of the data is being used in these folders here. I have documents within my CapCut that I do not want to delete or tamper with, so I'm not going to affect or do anything here. But that's just a small tutorial, free application you can use within Windows that'll help you determine where all of your files or where all of your data on your C drive or any drive that you're running out of space on is located. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll be bringing back more videos soon. So make sure you stay tuned to EBI Technology Group. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Thank you.